Welcome to Full Stack PHP Web Development course. PHP Arrays. An array stores multiple values in one single variable. What is an array? An array is a special variable which can hold more than one value at a time. If you have a list of items, a list of car names, for example, storing the cars in single variable could look like this. However, what if you want to loop through cars and find a specific one? And what if you had not 3 cars but 300? The solution is to create an array. An array can hold many values under a single name, and you can access the values by referring to an index number. In PHP, array function is used to create an array. In PHP, there are 3 types of array: index array, associative arrays, multidimensional arrays. PHP indexed arrays. There are two ways to create index array. An index can be assigned automatically. Index always start with at 0, like this. Or an index can be assigned manually, like this. The following example creates an index array named cars, assign the 3 elements to it, and then prints a text containing the array values. To loop through and print all the values of an index array, you could use a for loop like this. And we may use the count function to count how many numbers of values inside this variable array cars. Less than or equal less than count of cars and increment of I variable. Then h1 car name closing the h1 tag and using the string concatenation operand operators, array car values and concat with the next closing h1 and use the I as index for the cars array. PHP associative arrays. Associative arrays are arrays that use the named key that you assign to them. There are 2 ways to create an associative array. The name of key, then its value, and it is separated by a comma. Name of the next key, its value, comma, name of next key and its value. or you can separately use the same variable name and the name of key, and then we can assign its value. Please note the variable name should be same. To loop through and print all the values of an associative array, you could use a for each loop. In the previous pages, we have described arrays that are a single list of key value pairs. However, sometimes you want to store values with more than one key. For this, we have multidimensional arrays. A multidimensional array is an array containing one or more arrays. PHP supports multidimensional arrays that are 2, 3, 4, 5 or more levels deep. However, arrays more than 3 levels deep are hard to manage for most people. A two-dimensional array is an array of arrays. A three-dimensional array is an array of arrays of arrays. First, take a look at the following table. The name, stock, sold, and for each column we have some values. We can store the data from the table above in a two-dimensional array like this. First is the main array, then each array is containing array as its value. Now the two-dimensional cars array contain 4 arrays and it has 2 indices, row and column. To get access to the element of the cars array, we must point to 2 indices, rows, and first one is the row, the second one is for the each column.